Hello, it's a empty lipstick shell and I'll make something with it today. You see, nothing is here. Few days ago, I was made a massager from a electric shaver, but today I will make another massager from this lipstick shell. It will be very small and rechargeable, and of course the making process will be very simple. I will try to make it as simple as possible. For this project I will use this very small lithium battery. I collect it from a small selfie light, and I use this vibrator from a cell phone, and this module for charging our battery and control our vibrator. We can control speed and on off with this switch. So this is the lipstick shell, front part, back part. I will only install the vibrator in front part, okay, very top of this thing. Then in this back part, I will install this battery and charging unit with controller like this. This will be our modular position, and I will install this battery in here. We will use a cable, small cable, to connect battery to vibrator. When it needs charge, we'll simply open it and charge. And one another thing, maybe you just notice that the button of this modular is here, so we cannot press it from the outside. I have a solution for this. I will use this switch or this one. This one has a long button and this one has short, but I will try to use this one first. If this failed, then I will use that one. And my plan is to install this switch in here, in this position, from the back. And so let's see what can we do. Now our system is ready and it's time to assemble it in our shell. You see, this is the main button, and I extend with some wire and install this button. This is our battery, this is our vibrator. See, one click, vibrator, second click, more, third click, extreme, fourth, stop. Nice setup. And now we have to install our push button, and we'll install this button like this, and we'll put some hot glue in here, so the button will be stay where it should be. Oops. We install our switch in here with hot glue. See, 2, 3, 4. Nice. And then the battery and BMS. Simply I put it here in this way, so the light, no, not like this, like this. Yes, everything is just in place, and now we need to do something with our vibrator. What I will do? No, I should have to fix this vibrator in here. So here is our massager. I put this vibrator in here. For keep it in place, I use a piece of hot glue stick and cut it in half, and in the middle of this glue stick I put my vibrator. And this is, you can recognize it is also the mechanism of this lipstick. I use this part for hold this vibrator motor, so you see. And now I'll use some masking tape for keep this vibrator more secure, and then put it in here. And you see, when I press this button, here is a light LED blinking, and when I press twice, LED blinking faster, third time it is brighter, and the vibrator is, you see. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, share this video with your friends. Thank you for your time.